Okay.
What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? We'll show you what we can do. Yeah. Obviously, we cannot sing. Okay.
And dance.
And dance.
Okay. Our eyes. Our nose.
Our mouth.
Your ears.
My ears.
Our fingers.
Our arms.
Our stomach.
Our legs. Well, nothing. And then
Our toes.
ew. Ew. And then our whole body.
Ooh.
She's doing it back then. Well, here's the only thing I can do.